Euclid's Elements, Book 2, Proposition 2. If a straight line be cut at random, the rectangles contained by the whole and each of the segments is equal to the square on the whole. So we have our line AB. We cut it at random at C. And what we're going to say is that the rectangle contained by AB, AC, plus the rectangle contained by AB, CB, is equal to the square on AB. So from proposition 46 of book 1, we're going to construct a square on line AB. So we're going to construct square AB, and then we'll call that DE. And then from C, we're going to draw a line parallel to either AD or BE, and we'll call that CF. And we know that we can draw that line parallel from proposition 31 of book 1. So we can say that CF is parallel to either AD or BE. So we'll just say parallel line AD. Now, if we look at the figure AF, we can see that it's made of the lines AC and AD, but since the whole figure is a square, AD is going to be equal to AB. So the rectangle, or the figure, FA, is actually the rectangle AC and AB. And if we look at the figure CE, that is actually the rectangle CB and BE, but BE being the side of the square is also equal to AB. So CE, the rectangle, is equal to CB, rectangle, and AB. And therefore, we've done what we were supposed to do. This figure AF is equal to the rectangle ABAC, and this figure CE, which comprises the rest of the whole square, is equal to the rectangle CB, the segment CB, with the whole side AB. And of course, the square AE is the square built upon our original whole straight line AB. QED.